How to track the status of your gift card order. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to GoGift.com. Then head over to your email inbox. When you place an order on GoGift, you will receive a confirmation email that includes your order number, the delivery method, and the recipient's email address. This is the key to tracking your order. If your gift card was sent via email or SMS, check your inbox or spam folder for a message from GoGift. Most digital gift cards are delivered shortly after purchase, but delays can sometimes happen due to processing or email filters. If you haven't received the gift card or need to check its delivery status, refer back to the confirmation email. It may include direct instructions or links to verify delivery. If you still need help, you can contact GoGift support via their support center. Provide them with your order number and contact email, and they can assist you in verifying the delivery status or resolving any issues. Now you know how to track the status of your gift card order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.